So this is just an outlook of me basically turning on all our reptile lights in the morning. So basically start with their UVB, daytime. I don't use night times for any of my adults, only my babies. And that's one of our daddies for our breeders. Over here, got one of our babies. I wouldn't say baby, I'd say juvenile. I'll go ahead and throw that up there. It's daytime heat. 26 watt UVB to make it through the screen mesh. And this is actually our reptile room. This is actually where we got Mama. So this is Mama. She probably wants her light on. And actually, we just put the screen over top because I've actually had lots of problems with these stupid sticks. Now the problems that I've had are that. Now I've just come to the conclusion of clamping it the easiest way I know how to. So what we'll actually go ahead and do is just pop off the screen. Kind of hard to do one-handed. There we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lower this. And about right there. This also allows you to get more airflow in there. I know our reptile room can get pretty humid, pretty hot, pretty fast. Just because we got those lights. This is Grandma and Grandpa. I showed you their makeshift stand for a light. So that's their UVB. Everything in there. Got that double dome fixture. Same with over here. And this is our Tegu lighting. Lovely. I know it takes 3 lights for heating and 1 for UVB. Now, the dirt looks pretty dry from last night. I didn't mist it before bed, but I actually did put some sealant, you could say, around the screen to actually hold the humidity where she does sleep. Now, for turning on these lights, I actually have 2 fixtures that don't have switches, so I've just resorted to unplugging the whole thing. So then from there, I'm just going to flick on this one, I'm going to flick on the UVB, and yeah, and this is the Tegu tank. Got nice rocks for her to go on. She's actually buried, probably all 3 around them. And yeah, other than that, I just got our babies, but I've done their light maybe about an hour ago. Just because their tanks need to be warmed up longer, and these guys don't even seem to wake up till around this time anyway. So this is my morning routine. Now it's just chopping up lettuce and getting some bugs ready. How's it going, everybody? Decided to quickly kind of show you what my setup is for the lighting situation for my reptiles. Also thought I'd take 2 seconds quickly to just show you guys my baby setup that we have for breeding our beardies. Now, if you can kind of see through the screen, they all like to kind of pile out. Most of them are usually on the stick. As you know, they do like to climb. They're all very pretty active right now. All of them are just getting some air right now, basking. Got some pretty nice prints in this clutch, though. That's for sure. Yep. Soon will be a misting time, which I'll actually post on my next video. Sorry, there's water scum on the window, obviously from misting. But actually, this is the setup we got. So, as you can see, my tank is really short. So, something I actually learned a long fucking time ago, which was a pretty good hint from chameleon breeder I actually know out in Calgary here, and what that was with short tanks is, sorry, the picture's just a little hot. So you can actually use dollar store bulbs. Now this isn't going to provide your UVA nor your UVB. What this is going to provide is just your heat spot. That's it. That's all. So this actually produces more of a heat spot than we actually need. Now that's alright considering I have dimmer switches on my fixtures, so it's as simple as just dimming my switches. Other than that, now what I got for UVA and UVB is obviously this hood lamp right here. Now this is only a 24 across fluorescent tube, obviously, but now that's your UVA and your UVB. As you can tell, it's pretty blah in there without it. Now you'll see quite a big difference just me flicking it on here. Yeah, big difference. So actually why we did this way is just for the fact that we had a breeder tank left over after we downsized on a few of our reptiles here. But we decided to take one of our breeder tanks and actually just put a divider in it. Divider actually puts about a 20 on each side, but with also given a 20 gallon, it's also a lot wider than a 20 gallon. So I have groups of 10 and 10 on each side. I know they say about 5 for a 20 gallon, but like I said, my tanks are a bit wider than a 20 gallon. Obviously, I watch a lot for aggression, stuff like that. Honestly, none of that yet. They're a little too young. They're only within the first week or two. They're just starting to show signs of head bobbing, so on and so forth. So, yeah, this is our little baby setup right now. Still got more in the incubator that should be hatching in about 2 days, I'd say. So, we will shortly have another setup here. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to do it.